She had you pick up the first, she had to pick, blah, blah. Hey everybody, Luxinda here. Welcome back to the loo. We are actually going to attempt, meaning I'm going to attempt, you're going to watch, a textile project today. Now, while I can't say that I have the track record with textiles that Anthony Crammond does, for example.
It's gone so bad. I'm not even looking at yous. I'm facing away. I don't even want this anymore.
I haven't worked with textiles and fabrics in a long time. I used to sew my own clothes. I do know how to operate a sewing machine, but it has been literally decades since I've done that. And I have no interest in sewing anymore, ever. But this caught my eye. It's a project I saw online. So I went to Walmart and I bought myself some fat quarters, which is a cute name for 18-inch by 21-inch pieces of fabric. And I thought this would be kind of fun. We need front and the backs fused together. And again, I don't sew anymore, so I'm going to use a heat-infused adhesive. So we're basically going to glue this to that and then this same fabric to green. I thought it would be nice, it'd be kind of cute. I like the colors. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna do more than that. But I need to get through that first part first. If you had an Easy Press, one of those 8-inch square handheld Cricut Easy Press or any other brand, this would be really simple to do. If you have an iron, you could also do this project with an iron. Absolutely. In fact, that's what this stuff is really designed for. However, I don't have either of those things. I'm not going to get out the tiny little mini press. That would take us all day. So I'm going to go out to my HTV Runt Auto Press and we are going to press us some fabric together with some iron-on adhesive. I really only need a 13-inch by 13-inch square of all of these things, 2 pieces to 2 pieces fused together. These are 18 by 21 inches and this is 17 by 36 inches. So there's, yeah, it's going to be way more complicated than I need it to be, but you know. I'm going to do one here so you can see what I'm talking about, sort of. And then I'll go out and press that. All right, so this is 18 inches times 2, 36 inches long, our adhesive. And this is, what did I say, 21 inches by 18. So 18 is the part we have in common. It's got 2 sides. One is paper and one is this textured adhesive stuff. And you put the textured adhesive stuff down on the fabric, on the back of the fabric. And then you peel off the paper and you put the other fabric you want onto that. This part doesn't have to be perfect because like I said, we're gonna cut it down a bit. Okay, I'm gonna go press everything. I'm gonna show you that and I'll be back. All right, we're back. Hopefully it wasn't too painful to watch. It worked pretty well. I now have a much thicker, obviously at least double plus whatever the adhesive left in there, piece of fabric to work with in 2 different backing colors. And here's the pattern. Now some of you may recognize this. If you have seen this ad on Facebook or whatever your preferred social media platform is, this is it. It looks like a pinwheel sort of. And we're going to cut this out from both sets of fused fabric and we're going to weave them together and make a bowl. A bowl. And again, when I say we, I mean I'm going to struggle and you're going to watch me struggle. If any of you out there have done this project and you see me doing something wrong, obviously you can't tell me in real time so that I can adjust, but you know, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Oh, God. Swear I've done like 25 of these. Okay, holy cow. I will save this. I'm not sure why, but I will. You never know. Yay! So if you are handy with sewing machine, you still need to use the stiffening adhesive agent, but the results could conceivably fray over time. So you are encouraged, if you have a sewing machine and the ability to use it, to do a zigzag all the way around. I am obviously not buying a sewing machine just to do that, nor do I even want to borrow one, to be perfectly honest with you. I got this particular bonding agent. It's super adhesive, so you shouldn't need to sew. Basically, they should all interlock. Should. It should. I will link to the video that I watched because I got the directions with the pattern. I got the directions that come with the pattern. And then they do have visuals and pretty crappy English not first directions, but I think they skip a lot as well. So I was thrilled to see that some people had done this on YouTube and I could watch them. All right, she had you pick up 2 sets. And then with the third one, I'm gonna have to go back and watch it again, aren't I? I'm gonna go watch the video again. I'll be right back. Okay, I have some clips here. These are just little, we call them binder clips from the office supply area of Walmart. There are other clips I'm sure that are easier, probably made for fabric. This is what I have. This is what I'm working with. Okay, I think I got it. So you start by bending up 2 arms like that. And then you're going to weave this one behind this one. She made it look so simple a minute ago. So start there, go over one, and then under the next, and clip these, I think. I may come back and undo this if I discover I'm wrong.
I think she's got it. I think she's got it.
And then this one comes up and under and over and clip these to under, over, under, and clip. I'm probably not explaining it very well. Again, I will definitely give you the link for the YouTube video.
Oh, thank God.
And I'm going to keep trying to do this.
I was like, girl.
I'm going to keep trying. It is actually working, believe it or not.
By George, she's got it. By George, she's got it.
But basically you want the tops of the 2 pieces. You're going to have one of each kind together after you do an under, over, under thing. Holy crap. It may have actually worked. I honestly expected to get to the end and have a piece left unpartnered with somebody. Look at that! I'm moving the clips to grab corners instead of in the middle of the flaps now. I'm amazed. I didn't think I was going to be able to do this. I believed it would work, I just didn't think it would work for me. Oh, much better. Look at that. In fact. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. I am not going to do anything further in this video. I think you get the idea. You could absolutely sew it, and you could even stitch, you could even put this on your sewing arm, or you could do it by hand. I just wanted to see if this would work. I wanted to see if I could cut out the fabric and get something that resembled a bowl, and damned if I didn't. I mean, I'm so excited by this. Okay, well, stay safe everyone. I will see you in the next video. Don't go away.